Welcome to Autos Vehicles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the exciting 2026 Honda NT650, a motorcycle concept/name that fits perfectly into Honda's sport touring family. The NT series has traditionally focused on comfort, practicality, and long-distance performance, and the NT650 name immediately raises expectations for a capable all-rounder. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda NT650 is expected to feature a modern sport touring design with sharp bodywork, a comfortable riding position, and strong road presence. A redesigned front section, aerodynamic fairing, LED lighting, and a premium-looking finish could give the bike a distinctive appearance while maintaining the practical character associated with Honda's touring motorcycles. Engine and performance. Performance is likely to be one of the biggest attractions. If Honda develops an NT650 around a modern 650 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder platform, riders could expect a smooth power delivery, strong mid-range torque, and excellent everyday usability. The focus would likely be on balanced performance rather than extreme superbike acceleration, making it suitable for city riding, highways, and longer journeys. Comfort and touring. Comfort could be a major selling point for the NT650. A relaxed riding position, supportive seat, practical ergonomics, and good wind protection would make it appealing to riders who spend plenty of time on the road. The motorcycle could also offer useful touring equipment such as luggage compatibility and additional accessories. Technology and features. The 2026 model could bring modern Honda technology, potentially including a full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, selectable riding modes, traction control, ABS, and LED lighting. Depending on the final specification, Honda could position the NT650 as a technologically advanced but easy-to-use sport touring motorcycle. Handling and braking. With a balanced chassis and suspension setup, the NT650 could deliver stable highway cruising while remaining agile on winding roads. Strong front and rear braking hardware, combined with ABS and modern electronic assistance, would provide additional confidence during everyday and long-distance riding. Expected price and availability. The final price, launch date, and specifications of a 2026 Honda NT650 depend on Honda's official announcements and the market in which it is offered. Until Honda confirms the model, any exact price or launch date should be treated as an estimate rather than official information. Final verdict. The idea of a 2026 Honda NT650 is exciting because it could combine Honda's reputation for reliability with sport touring comfort, practical performance, and modern technology. If Honda officially introduces this model with competitive pricing and a strong 650 cubic centimeters engine, it could become an attractive choice for riders looking for one motorcycle that can handle both everyday commuting and long-distance adventures. Thanks for watching Autos Vehicles. If you enjoyed this motorcycle review, make sure to subscribe for more new bike updates, specifications, prices, and reviews.